Guys, it's an exceptional day today. Look at what we just picked up at the shop. Oh my god. Raw Avalanche. It's been so long since we had a raw Avalanche. And we just picked it up today. There's only one available. Look at the sparkles in that paint. An exceptional piece that we just bought back. Goes perfectly with the jersey. It is available as of right now for $1,795 US. Like I said, only one available. Look at all the details in this paint job. You know what's the best part? It is painted on a Protechsport, formerly Lefebvre, maker for Lefebvre mask. So it is as close as you can get to an original raw shell. This is a Protechsport ice ready shell. Yo, let's look at that autograph again. Ain't that a beauty? It's gonna come with a COA from Armory Steel Authentics and RGS. Who wants it? There's only one available, guys. Message us. Cheers.